How to integrate popular SMS gateways with Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software, and today I'll show you how by connecting Pabbly Connect with an SMS application you can automate the process of sending the bulk SMS. Now that SMS application could be a Twilio application or ClickSend application or bulk SMS application or even the Smshorizon or Burst SMS application, and in place of these application you can even go with other SMS application. Want to learn how you can also automate the SMS sending process with the Pabbly Connect? Then come with me and I will show you everything step by step. So I have prepared some dummy data of the customers in this spreadsheet, and now I'll show you how you can send the SMS in bulk to all these customers. And for sending the SMS, I will use Twilio application, but in place of Twilio, as I have told you initially, you can also use any other SMS application. Okay, now in order to automate this process, we will have to build a connection, build an integration in this Twilio and Google Sheets application, which I will do with the help of Pabbly Connect. So our topic is how you can connect Pabbly Connect with the SMS application and automate the SMS sending process. Okay, I'm an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I'm already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, firstly you will have to click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I have directly pasted the name as integrate popular SMS gateways with the Pabbly Connect. Now it will ask you to select the folder, so I am selecting this main workflow folder in which I want to create my automation workflow. Now clicking on create, and after that you will notice 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. Okay, so in this way you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so currently according to our use case we are building the integration in this Twilio and Google Sheets, so that is why my trigger application will be Google Sheets, because I have the customers data in this spreadsheet only. Okay, so basically I am going to connect this spreadsheet with the Pabbly Connect, and in this way I will capture the customers data here inside the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and further I will connect Twilio with the Pabbly Connect and will show you how to send the SMS to the above customers data. Okay, in place of Twilio, let's say you want to send the SMS using Smshorizon application. In that case you can select that application and connect it with the Pabbly Connect. Again, in place of Smshorizon, let's say you want to send the SMS using this ClickSend application. Again, you can select the application of your choice and automate the SMS sending process. Okay, currently I'm taking an example of this Twilio only, so I have selected the same, and as I have told you, we will be connecting these 2 applications with the Pabbly Connect one by one. Okay, so let us connect this spreadsheet. So firstly I'll be selecting the trigger event, that is new or updated spreadsheet row. Okay, and in this particular video I'm telling you how to send SMS to the customers whose data is present in the Google Sheet, so that is why I have selected Google Sheets here. But let's say you want to send the SMS on some form submission. In that case, in place of Google Sheets you can search for your Google Form application. Okay, so I hope you have understood that you will have to select the applications of your choice in the trigger and the action window, and in this way you can build the connection and automate the process with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so as soon as I have selected the trigger event, it has provided me a webhook URL and few set of instructions. Okay, so you will have to follow these instructions carefully in order to build the connection in Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Okay, so simply copy this webhook URL, go back to the spreadsheet in which the customer data is already present. Now click on extension, click on add-ons, click on get add-ons, and here search for the Pabbly Connect webhooks add-on. But let me tell you, this add-on is already installed in my Google account. Okay, so that is why I'm not going to install it, but you will have to install this add-on firstly, because after that you will have to click on this extension once again and you will will find the same add-on here. Now simply click on this initial setup, and here exactly we will be pasting the same webhook URL which we have got via Pabbly Connect. Let me copy the same and let me first remove the existing data. Now I have pasted the webhook URL. Now it is asking for the trigger column. Okay, so read the instructions. The trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to the webhook URL. Okay, so basically it is asking to specify a column name on filling of which this automation should trigger. Okay, so whenever I add a new data in this spreadsheet, of course my data will go up to the C column. So final data entry column here is C, so that is I will be adding the same. Clicking on send test, and as soon as I click on this button, you will notice that the first row data will be sent successfully. Here you can notice it is saying test data sent successfully, and it is showing the data also. Clicking on submit, and now I will close it. Coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and you will notice that the same Google Sheets response is received here. Let me even show you the details one by one. So here we have the very same trigger column, the same spreadsheet name, that is all customers data. Here we have the sheet name. Here we have the row data also, that is the phone number, name and email. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards, every time you add a new data in the spreadsheet, the details of that customer will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so in this way the first step of our automation is done. But let me tell you, in order to automate this process, in order to automatically send the Google Sheets data to Pabbly Connect, you will also have to enable one more important option, that is send on event. Okay, so let me click on that, and you will see a tick mark will be added here. That means this option is enabled, and this will ensure that every time a new data is added here, that data will go to Pabbly Connect automatically. Alright, so I hope you have understood everything. And the second important thing I would like to tell you here is, whenever you are connecting your spreadsheet with Pabbly Connect, either work into the incognito window or multiple Gmail accounts should not be logged in the same tab. Okay, I'm repeating this thing once again. Either work in the incognito window or do not log in multiple Gmail accounts in the same tab. Okay, so now moving further, because I have the customer's data, finally I have the phone number of the person. Now I'll show you how you can send the SMS. Currently I have a dummy phone number, but don't worry, I will replace this number with my genuine number. Okay, but firstly I'll be selecting the action event, that is send SMS message, because I want to perform the same. Now clicking on connect, then clicking on add a new connection, and for the connection it is asking for the SID, authorization token, and again SID. Okay, so this is the dashboard of my SMS sending application, that is Twilio, and I have all the data in the main page only, in the home page only. So let me copy the SID and pasting it here. Alright, it is done. Asking for the token, so here we have the token as well, which again I have copied. Let me paste the same. Clicking on save, and in this way my Twilio account will be also connected with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so in the same way you can connect your SMS application with the Pabbly Connect. Well, everywhere the instruction will be provided, you just need to read the help text properly, follow the help text, follow the instructions properly, and you will be able to connect your application with Pabbly Connect and search for the required video. Okay, so now moving further, because it is connected, firstly it is asking for the body of the SMS. Okay, so what SMS you want to send, and what is going to be the sender number, and what will be the recipient number. Okay, well, Twilio already provided me a recipient number because I am into the testing account. So how about I firstly copy and paste the same. Further it is asking for the sender number, so I have already received the sender data. And the interesting thing is, I'm not going to manually copy all the phone numbers again and again and paste below. I'm going to map this data. Okay, this will replace the phone number, mapping will replace the phone number automatically when our automation will work in real time. Okay, and as soon as you click here, you will find the above data here in the drop down. Let me show you the same, and from here you can search for the data. You can search search for the phone number. Okay, so give me a second. Let me select the phone number. Let me search for the phone number here once again. Alright, so I have mapped it successfully, and currently I am adding the dummy number, but don't worry, I will replace it. Now finally it's turn to compose the SMS. So how about I write something like hello, and after this hello I want that the name of the customer should appear here automatically. So again I am going to map the phone number, and as I have told you, the details will be replaced automatically whatever I am going to map from this drop down. Okay, so this is the name of the customer, comma, pressing enter. So hello demo customer, we are happy to announce that we are opening a vegan restaurant in your area. Get 70% off on the opening day on all the delicious meats. Okay, location, and here I am adding a random location, something like ABC Apartments. Okay, timing, again I am going to add some random timing, something like 12 p.m. onwards. Okay, I think this information is sufficient. Thanks team vegan. I hope this SMS is looking good, and again telling you whatever the details we have provided manually will remain same, and the details which we have mapped here will be changed automatically. Okay, so I have provided all the details. How about I click on this button, save and send test request, waiting for the response to receive. Fingers crossed. Well, the response is received, but it is saying permission to send an SMS has not been enabled. Okay, so I will have to check. Well, the first mistake I have done here is I have provided the dummy number, so I will have to replace this number. And second thing is I have provided the sender number as the recipient number. Let me first interchange, let me correct my mistake. Alright, it is done. In case of sender number, I will have to copy and paste the number provided via Twilio. Okay, give me a second. So this is my number. Let me paste the same here, asking for the recipient number. So you will have to map the number from the above data. Alright, it is done. Now I'll be clicking on this button once again and waiting for the response once again. And this time I'm really expecting that the SML will be delivered here. Okay, well, again I'm really sorry. I will have to replace this number. Give me a second. Alright, so one last time I'm clicking on this button and waiting for the response once again. And here you can notice this time the response is positive, and it is clearly saying that sent from your Twilio number, and the SMS is also received on my phone number. Let me upload the screenshot of this SMS. Okay, give me a second. Hello demo customer, we are happy to announce that we are opening a vegan restaurant in your area. Get 70% off on the opening day on all the delicious meals. Location is this ABC Departments. Time is 12 p.m. onwards. Thanks team vegan hub. Okay, so did you notice how I was able to automate the SMS sending process with the help of Pabbly Connect? Basically, with the help of Pabbly Connect, I have built the connection in SMS application and in my Google Sheets application. Okay, before I summarize this automation, let me tell you a very important thing. If you want this automation to work in real time, like as soon as you are adding a new data here, the SMS should be sent to each person one by one in real time. In that case, you will have to enable this send on event option. But if you want to send the SMS in bulk, for that you will have to enable this send all data. Yes, when the SMS has been delivered to the first person successfully, if you are satisfied that your automation is working absolutely fine, after that you can click on that button, and as soon as you enable this option, the SMS will be sent to all the customers automatically. And here the same SMS will be sent, only the details, basically this phone number and this name will be changed here. Okay, so I hope you have understood everything, and in order to automate this process, you need to create this workflow inside Pabbly Connect just once. After that you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Okay, and just in case if you want to access this two-step workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach this link of my workflow into the description box. So simply click on this link, sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.